Guys, this has been such a fun catch-up, but I just realized I've got to run.
Let me guess. Another yoga class or saving the world again?
No, just real-life errands. But hey, how do we actually end a conversation
Really,
without sounding rude?
Great question. Let's break it down. If you want to be polite and classic, try, "It was lovely chatting with you. Let's catch up again soon."
Right?
But if you want to sound a bit more modern or casual, say, I'll let you get back to it. I'll catch you later.
Really, right?
Or my favorite, don't want to keep you. Talk soon.
Ooh, I like that. So much better than awkward silence or ghosting.
And if you need to leave a group chat or convo that's dragging on, you can say, hey guys, I'm gonna hop off. Been great chatting. All right, I'll leave you to it. Catch you later.
Or when you're at an event and need to move on, use, "I don't want to monopolize your time. I'm gonna mingle a bit. So great talking with you."
Peace out.
Aha.
Okay, maybe not that one in formal settings.
All right, friends, let's recap. Basic, polite. It was nice talking to
right?
you. Let's catch up again soon. I'll let you get back to it. Modern, casual. I'll catch you later.
Really,
Alrighty, I'm gonna hop off. Don't want to keep you. Talk soon. Advanced, social. I don't want to
Really?
take up all your time. I'm gonna mingle a bit. So lovely chatting.
honestly, ending a conversation well shows confidence and respect. It's a skill.
Just
Really?
don't pull a vanishing act, unless you're a magician.
Next time, we'll dive into small talk that actually feels fun, not awkward.
See you in the next one, and until then, keep your English smooth and social.